Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can replace the battery of your car key, mainly the remote key of your car. That nowadays all the remotes, all the cars are with the remote, no battery place, no key place to use manual key. So and the battery goes down. So and a lot of people doesn't know how to replace it. They go to dealer and dealer charge a lot of money for that, but it's a very simple thing. And before I replace it, I want to tell you one more thing, that when you replace the battery, make sure you use the lithium battery. The regular 2032 model batteries, the tablet batteries that we say, those are a lot of different batteries are available in the market, but make sure you purchase lithium. Otherwise, like within a day it will say again low battery. So, and I did a lot of times, I go with the lithium battery. So to first you need to open this car key, and it is also very simple. You see this button, so you just pull it left and then pull it, so the key came out. And then see here, you just twist it little bit. Done. This is open. So before you buy the battery, I will always suggest you check what's the number of your battery. Here is the number, that this one is CR2032. So that's why I purchased the CR2032 batteries. So you make sure you purchase the same battery. So now take off the battery. So just I'm taking it off and I'm putting it away. So let me put a new one. And these batteries, there are 6 batteries I purchased from Walmart for $13, I believe. 6 batteries. So it's a little bit expensive. Like if you go to IKEA and somewhere, you will get 12 batteries for $3 or $4, but those not gonna work. Like that will fit, but it will say low battery within a day, even after pressing one key. So you need to use the lithium battery. And now putting it there, and now make sure you lock it. Done. And you put it here. Done. Let me check my car. So here is my car, and let me check. So it's working, and if I go close, yes, it's unlocking. So it is working fine. Battery replacement is done. So that's all, friend. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.